Good morning, it's the 24th of September. It's my birthday. Oh my god, my sleep was so bad. There's like a pull-out bed. It's like an IKEA bed. It's a single bed but pulls out to a double. But the mattresses don't fit on the bed properly. And my ass kept falling in between the mattresses. It was so uncomfortable. There is another room here with bunk beds in it. So, because I slept with Casey and Mikey. But tonight I think I'm just going to sleep in the bottom bunk bed because it was so uncomfortable. So yeah, we're just all sort of getting ready to go out. I will give you sort of a tour of the villa, but it will probably be a bit later because we're just all getting dressed and ready to go out. We're going on a boat trip today. So yeah, I got this lovely bag charm from my mum. And a nice card. I got my card off my sister yesterday and I left it at home, so, but it is so hot. There's the kitchen, there's the front door, the swimming pool's outside. I can show you out there actually because there is no one out there. Is the door open? Yes. So let me show you out here. It is lovely, it's so nice. Let me spin you around. So this is the pool. Can't wait to get in. But it'll be a bit later. But this is the gardens. That is the front door there. And then the window. Round here is a table and a wall, because that is where you like sort of park the car. Some sun loungers, a shower. Some lilos and a ball and things. Look at that pool. Looks so nice. And then around here, you've got stairs to go upstairs onto the roof terrace, a washing line, and a shed that is locked. So yeah, you can't get around there, but it looks so nice. So I'll be definitely getting in this later. But look, it's got some lovely plants here and it's just really nice. So I'm gonna go and get dressed because I'm still in my pajamas. Oh, what is attacking me? Yeah, but lovely blue sky. It's really hot already, it's crazy, but yeah, I will catch you a bit later once I find out what is attacking my leg. And yeah, I shall see you later. So we went for a lovely breakfast and now we're in Mazaron Port and we're going to get on a boat and go on a boat trip. But this is what it looks like. And there is hundreds of fishes. I don't know how well you can see them because the sun is shining on the water. But there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. See the fish? Oh.
What?
Nothing.
What?
Mikey!
Got to get the bogies out of his nose before he can go on camera.
Porridge on his neck.
Yeah.
Toast.
Porridge on his neck.
So we're on the boat, we're just waiting for it to go. So yeah, hopefully we'll see loads of fishes because there's a glass bottom bit to this boat as well, so yeah.
When he's trying to film the fishes, actually.
Yeah.
It's on my gimbal.
On the boat. Lisa's with the baby. I don't know if you can see because it's so sunny. Dad, Mum. Hi, Mum.
So we're back at the villa and I'm swim ready. We're gonna get in the pool. My dad's gonna have the GoPro going and I think he's gonna time lapse, so I'm just gonna get the footage from that. And I'm gonna put this on charge. So, but the boat trip was really good. Another thing, we went to the supermarket that is on site here, and there's like a little, my mum and dad calls it the Chinese shop. Because it's got like Chinese writing on the name and Chinese workers in there, but it sells absolutely everything that you can imagine, clothes, everything, absolutely everything. It's a little bit like a Home Bargains in the UK, but better, I suppose. And I was walking around and I saw yarn. The whole aisle was full of yarn, and we were sort of in a rush because my dad stayed in the car with the baby and we were due to come back here and whatever, and I was just like, oh my god. So we're gonna go back there tomorrow. We're gonna go back there tomorrow anyway, because my dad is gonna go out with some friends and go droning. We'll go and fly his drone with them, and we're just gonna have a sort of lazy day. We're gonna take a walk up the road, and yeah, we're gonna go and to that shop, and I'll probably spend the whole time in the yarn aisle. But they sell absolutely everything. I will show you tomorrow. But I'm just wondering if they've got any cotton, because I could pick up some cotton, but we shall see. So yes, we're gonna get in the pool because it's so hot. I've just spoke to Ian and he's all good. I completely forgot about the time change, and it's 4:45 here, but obviously at home it'd be 3:45, and he's still at work, but he was just sort of getting ready to leave anyway. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go and we'll catch you in a bit. So being in the pool all day, my hair has gone very orange. There's no purple left in it at all. It's all gone, but I suppose having fun and everything is worth it. We did take some GoPro footage. I don't know whether I'll be able to put that in here. If I can, you've already seen it. There's also a time lapse that my dad did, so I'm not sure whether I'll be able to put them in here or I'll just put them in a separate video sort of at the end, like of the week of our swimming time and things like that. So we'll see, but we're all just getting ready to go out. I know I said I was going to do a villa tour, but everyone's just sort of getting ready, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. I know I keep saying that, but we're here all day tomorrow, other than just popping up to the shops and back again. So yeah, my dad's going out droning. Sorry if you can hear the hairdryer. I didn't think of that when I started. My mum's obviously drying her hair. But yeah, so we're just getting ready to go for some dinner. So yeah, I will catch you when we get there. So we've come to the pool again tonight for dinner. We've come to Vigo's. We've just literally sat down, so I haven't seen the menu yet, but everyone's here. So my hair is really fluffy. Yeah, and I told you about the colour earlier, so but yeah, so I'm gonna wait for a menu, see what there is, and I'm hungry.